Okay, welcome. Oh, don't have my headphones on. Sorry about that. All right, you should be able to hear me now. So welcome back. We are going to work on finishing up our lesson. So what I want you to do is on your whiteboard, I want you to draw the T-chart that we always draw together. Easy peasy. And on one side, I want you to write A-I-L. And on the other side, I want you to write I-L-L. Okay, go ahead and do that and then come back. All right, so your T-chart should look like this. We're going to do a word sort today. And I remember telling you that word sorts are so important because it helps you to pay attention to all the parts in the word and to notice likenesses and differences between parts and words. So here's what you're going to do. I have a big list of words today, pretty big list. I want you to take that list. I will make it so you can pause right on this list. And I want you to sort these words into A-I-L, ale, or I-L-L, ill. Okay? So you're going to take all those words, practice reading them, sorting them into the two columns, and then come back to me and we're going to check it. So go ahead and pause. I'll leave it on this screen for you. All right, so we're back. Hopefully you were able to take all of these words and sort them, because I went ahead and sorted them all as well. I think I got all of them. They're not looking like they're lining up quite right, but that's okay. We've got most of them. And if I made some mistakes, you can fix them. It's a blooper, right? It's okay. All right, so A-I-L. Let's see if we got these same words. If you got the words that I got, I want you to go ahead and give them a green check mark. If you put it in the wrong column, then just go ahead and move it, okay? That's just a blooper that we've practiced and now we've learned. All right, the first word, pale. Second word, rail. Male. Sail. Tail. Snail. And trail. All have the ale ending, or ale part, kind of chunk. All right, now we're going to look at ill. Are you ready for these? Sill. Thrill. Skill. Hill. Pill. Mill. Still. So you can go ahead and pause it if you need to go ahead and check that you have all the words that I have and sorted the way that I have them, either with the A-I-L kind of chunk in them or the I-L-L chunk or part in them. And then you're good for today. That's all that I need you. Yep, that's right. That's all I need you to do. Thank you for all of your hard work with word work. And I will see you on Friday for a good old-fashioned phonics lesson, okay? All right. Have a great afternoon, guys.